Indian origin MP Chandra Arya has made headlines after announcing his decision to run for the position of Canada's next Prime Minister following Justin Trudeau's resignation. Chandra Arya, a Liberal Party MP representing Nepean, shared his vision for Canada in a post on X, where he stated that he wants to lead a small, more efficient government to build the nation and ensure a better future for generations to come. Arya has been serving in Canadian politics since 2015 and has successfully won his seat in the parliament 3 times. However, his announcement has sparked controversy, with some ridiculating his background and communication style. One user on X named Chris Brunet mocked Arya for his Indian accent and English fluency, claiming, "This dude moved to Canada at the age of 43, speaks broken English with a thick Indian accent, and yet is somehow an MP and running to be the next Prime Minister." Brunet went on to sarcastically compare Arya's journey to the idea of a foreigner moving to India, learning Gujarati, and running for Prime Minister. Now, such comments have triggered a heated debate online, with many Indians and Canadians defending Arya while others questioning his candidacy. Chandra Arya's announcement has sparked discussions about the challenges faced by immigrants in leadership positions, specifically those who don't adjust to traditional Western norms. Arya's journey is inspiring to many in Indian community. Born in India, Arya moved to Canada later in life and built a political career while maintaining his cultural identity. Now, despite the criticism, he has garnered significant support, specifically from Indian Canadians who view his candidacy as a symbol of representation and inclusion in Canadian politics. Arya's campaign highlights several key issues facing Canada, including rebuilding the economy, creating equal opportunity, and securing prosperity for future generations. His decision to enter the PM race has stirred mixed reaction, with some people expressing excitement over his bold move, while others remain skeptical about his ability to lead Canada. Arya's journey is a reflection of the challenges many immigrants face when trying to integrate into leadership role in their new country. Now, for the Indian American in Canada, Chandra Arya's rise in politics is a moment of pride and debate. With over 1.4 million Indians living in Canada as of 2023, they form a significant portion of the population and are known for contributing to various industries like IT, healthcare, and education. Arya's candidacy has the potential to inspire many more immigrants to enter politics and strive for leadership role. This controversy shed light on broader issues like racism and biases that immigrants often face in the countries like Canada. It also raises important questions about what it means to be a leader in a multicultural society. While Arya faces criticism from some quarters, his supporters see his candidacy as a step forward, a more inclusive Canada where diversity is celebrated, not mocked. His journey, challenges, and ambition resonates with many Indians around the world, making this a story of resilience and representation.